got the Qatar's like right on his tail. Too slow. Look at that. Slow. We have a Lufthansa A330. No Lufthansa. Not really any ones. Coming in from Frankfurt. Lufthansa, they have it. And then we got Qatar, United, Etihad. We're getting the hell out of here. My phone's almost dead anyways.